divide it in steps and create little tables for them. By the end, you will get like a link to a whole table, like a compiled table that will be easy for someone to just go and print or have it as a PDF that they can actually look at all the data that they got. So to me, it was like, let's go step by step, because you have to reverse engineer, right? Like, so for me to calculate the FAR or the average unit size, or to calculate something, you need to, or to calculate parking, you need to start with knowing the zone. And also to calculate the high limitations, you need to know the area and the zone. So I started with what's the first thing that you need to know before you can move to the next step, and then the next step, and then the next step. And then by the time you get to step number 4, the GPT can already get information of what it got in the first 3 steps to complete the other information. So that's the way I thought about it, and I'll show you eventually the whole thing that I did here. But also, because I wanted to make it as easy as possible, really the only thing that I put here as a question, as a conversation starter, is what is the address of the project? Because I want people that whenever they use this GPT, that the only thing they need to do is just type the address. That's it. You don't even need to type the APN or anything like that. You don't even need to go to the sensor map of the city. You just type the address. You just have to make sure that the address, for instance, for this specific case, you just have to make sure that the address you are typing is for the city of Santa Barbara. Because if for whatever reason you're typing an address that is for the county of Santa Barbara, which is outside the city, or any other place that is not the city of Santa Barbara, then it's not going to give you the information, because most of the information that is coming from here is kind of really going through this. It's very specialized. And then from here, I kind of give it specifically the PDFs and the JPEGs or the Excel sheets that it will need to determine where is it going to grab that information from. Now, something that I love about it was that, for instance, for the zoning map, that's a map, right? Like, it's a map. It's like a map that the city put together and just put some colors depending on the region.